I guess I'll start by cutting the onions.
Okay, and this is just a regular yellow onion?
Well, we actually have two types of onion. I like to mix them up. So we have a nice sweet Vidalia onion, and then we have some large Spanish onions.
Cool. And these probably caramelize a little better because they have more sugar?
Exactly. So the higher the sugar, the better they will caramelize. Exactly.
Great.
I like to caramelize my onions in schmaltz. So schmaltz is rendered chicken fat. Definitely a staple in old world Jewish cooking.
Definitely, and I find to be an underutilized ingredient in general.
Absolutely. So, it's really, really good. It's packed with flavor. It's got a pretty high smoking point. You could even like fry in it.
Oh, cool.
As you could see, I definitely kind of piled this in. You don't really want a lot of surface area. You want the onions to cook out the water so that the sugar is being drawn out. And then what's happening is the sugars are slowly caramelizing. If you caramelize onions or anything with sugar too fast, it could burn, and it's not going to be quite as sweet, and you're really going to lose that depth of flavor. So you want to go really, really nice and slow.